Welcome to another Baka review. In this video, will be me giving a quick summary of the NVidia GTC, and as well as I'll be giving my verdict overall on NVidia as a corporation. So NVidia GTC, it's a developer and I'm very enterprise focused. So a lot of stuff they did talk about is again developer and enterprise data center. So what NVidia has put is basically they talked about right now AI revolution. How they just wanted NVIDIA is right now at the forefront of AI. They have hardware and software, and as well as now with this current GTC 2023, it's like we will now also help you to the data center part of it, where you have all the like after you train your AI, you have all this data. Guess what? We will also give you a solution to store the data, or we're going to give you like an easy solution to store this pre-trained AI algorithm, and in case you want to retrain it again, we have more data. Here's the old data, whatever. So what really NVIDIA on the hardware end was, we have this new CPU which is based off ARM called the Grace cores. Finally, according to NVIDIA, they are now ready to be tested and validated by the data center OEMs on top of the NVIDIA 40 series to the consumers. Or now NVIDIA has officially said, well, we also have our new generation of 100 series die Hopper. Again, with Grace and Hopper 100 GPUs, they just kept talking about, hey, with this new generation of new generation, we are now able to increase density at the same power outage and the same physical space. Or if you don't want to have that density, but you now have more headroom. So now each rack you can still have more same amount of power, but at half or even at way more, less dense. But in the end, it's saving you more power. And if you didn't need it, density. And on top of, NVIDIA is like, oh, we know you data centers have some environmental goals that are both set by yourself and the government. So yeah, we're gonna help you do that with a new generation. Go buy our new generation, please. And NVIDIA is really still going to be trying their hand hard, making sure that they get the mind share in the new trend of AI revolution. They want to be known as, hey, I want to go buy an AI training, whatever crap ecosystem. NVIDIA is going to be like, NVIDIA, we are the best. We're going to give you the hardware, software, and now even a data center solution that is NVIDIA certified. We guarantee you we will work within the NVIDIA ecosystem. Hence, this is how they kind of won with their CUDA and their programming, where it's like currently a lot of anything that needs discrete graphics card for, CUDA core and CUDA programming kind of is king. So NVIDIA is trying to replicate that CUDA domination into this new AI hardware, software, and now even data center ecosystem. Furthermore, now interesting, what I reckon most of you would be is the hardware that is probably more consumer, what we're likely going to get, and the consumer. NVIDIA has launched the rest of the Quadro Ada lineup. So it's no longer just Ada 6000. They now go from 5,000 all the way down to Ada 2000. I'm not going to be reading you the spec sheet. But what I am gonna, as a lot of channels who like tech news and just reading the script, I'm pretty sure you don't need another channel reading you the script. But what makes it interesting about these quadro cards is these cards are right now, from a lot of it, is sharing the same specification as the desktop counterpart. So I think, so what we're right now seeing with the Quadro Ada cards is potentially we have our, well, RTX 3070, RTX 4070, RTX 4060, RTX 4060 Ti, maybe. Why do I think NVIDIA has kind of delayed these cards and just made it so that Quadro and laptops get 4070s, 4060s first? I think that is NVIDIA's profit margin maker. On top as well, their desktop card, they technically still have, well, 30 series old stock that needs to be moved. And whereas with all corporation, you want to move your old stock as fast as possible before your new stock comes, before your new generation comes out, as your old generation, when the new gen comes out, completely is devalued, and you are not going to be able to sell it for the value that, as well, consumers going to be like, I'm buying last generation, I'm going to need a really good deal on these graphics card. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, press the like, subscribe on top of sharing to grow the community, and I'll see you guys in the next video.